Hello everyone. Today I will be doing a question 3 for mathematics paper 1 for November 2024. Okay, question 3 says a circle with a radius 6 centimeter is drawn. A second smaller circle is drawn through the center of the first circle and also touches the first circle internally as shown in the diagram. A third smaller circle is drawn through the center of the second circle and touches the second circle internally. The process of drawing circle continues and forms a geometric pattern. Okay, 3.1. 3.1. Write down the radius of the first circle. Okay, I know I have the first, second, and it's a radius. Okay, let me draw. Okay, I have the first, second. Here's our first, second. Its radius is 6 centimeter. Its radius is 6 centimeter, and we got the second. We have the second second. Its radius is 3 centimeter, and we have the first circle, and its diameter is 3 centimeter. Again, for the first circle, we know that its diameter is 3 centimeter. Therefore, I know that the diameter is 2 times the radius. Therefore, my diameter is 3. Therefore, my radius will be 3 all over 2. Therefore, you are done. Okay, let's go to 3.2. For 3.2 says calculate the sum of the areas of the first 10 circles. Okay, I know that a formula for the area says A is equals to pi r squared. Therefore, for the first circle, I know that my radius is 6, and for the second one is 3. For the third is 3 all over 2. Okay, but it continues until 10th circle. Okay, sharp. The formula says A is equals to pi r squared. Therefore, for the first second, you can say the area for the first circle is A is to pi. Your radius is 6, therefore will be 6 squared. And for the second one will be pi 3 squared. And for the third one will be pi 3 all over 2 squared, and continues to the first to the 10th second. Okay, you will have something like pi 36 pi 9 pi 9 over 4 pi. Okay, until the 10th second. Okay, fine. They said calculate the sum of the area. Calculate the sum of the areas of the first 10 circles. Okay, you got your geometric pattern. Therefore, you're gonna find your R. Your R is equal to T2 divided by T1 or T3 divided by T2. Therefore, 9 pi divided by D6 pi, or 9/4 pi divided by 9 pi. Therefore, your R will be you'll get a 1/4. Here will be a 1/4. Okay, therefore you go to the area of the, you go to the formula sheet and you focus on formulas for geometric pattern. Okay, the sum of a geometric pattern is S n is equal to A divided by this one. Therefore, you'll have your Sn. When you see n, we substitute by 10 because they say calculate the sum of the sum of the areas of the tens of the first 10 circles. Put 10. Your A is this one, the D6 pi. 1/4 exponent 10 minus 1 divided by 1/4 minus 1. Therefore, the sum of the areas of the 10 circle will be equal to, punch the whole thing in your calculator. 6. You'll get a 150, comma 79,63036. But if you run it to 2 decimal places, will be 150,80. Okay. Let's go to the second. Let's go to 3.3. 3.3 says which circle has a diameter of 3/128. Okay, fine. It means you must form a pattern. Okay, fine. I know that the diameter for the first circle is it will be 12. For the second one will be 6, and for the third will be 3. Okay. For R T1, therefore your R is equal to 6 divided by 12. Therefore your R will be equal to 1/2. Therefore, but which circle has a diameter of 3/128? I know that a formula for geometric pattern is Tn is equal to AR and exponent n minus 1. Therefore, for Tn I'll put 3/128. Therefore, my A is 12 my r is 1 all over 2 exponent n minus 1. Therefore, I will divide by 12. 12. Okay. Let me punch my calculator. I got a 1 over 512 is equal to 1 all over 2 exponent n minus 1. Therefore, I introduce a log loss. Therefore, I have a log is 1 all over 2 is to 1 over 5 1 over 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, n minus 1 will be equal to, just press the whole thing into a calculator. I got a 9 here. Therefore, n is equal to 9 plus 1. Therefore, my n is equal to 10. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.